Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I want to help and guide you on how to change your age on TikTok in easy way. So make sure to watch this video until the very end so we can't miss any steps on how to change your age on TikTok process. Now let's jump into the video. The first thing we need to do is open your settings. We won't have any birthday option on TikTok. And TikTok doesn't have option to change our birth date, so we need to use another method. We need to open our TikTok on our device and then click on a little profile icon in the bottom left in your profile. The next step that you need to do is click on the three lines at the top right corner of the screen. Then Settings and Privacy. Now scroll down until you see a Report a Problem option. And then under the Topic section, you need to click on Account and Profile section. You need to click the account. Now, you need to open the Editing Profile section right here and now click on the Other since we don't have a birthday option in here. Now go to the very bottom and select the Need More Help option. And now we have to write the feedback to the TikTok. Then what you need to do is write something like I'm doing right here. So write that you have to change your birth because your current one is incorrect and you will provide your identification card. And just continue. And after that, click on Submit. And they will respond to you ASAP, as soon as possible. And that's it. So before we end this video, please hit like, share, and subscribe if you are new here.